नमस्कार. जय श्री कृष्ण. श्री कृष्ण Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda, Shri Advaita Gadadhara, Shrivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda, enunciating text 4, text 5 and text 6 of chapter 6, creation of the universal form of third canto, the status called Srimad Bhagavatam. Text 4, Prabuddha karma दैवेन त्रयोविंशतिको गणः प्रेरितो अजनयत स्वाभिर मात्राभिर धिपुरुषम. When the 23 principal elements were set in action by the will of the Supreme, the gigantic universal form or the Vishwaroop body of the Lord came into existence. The Virata Roop or Vishwaroop, the gigantic universal form of the Lord, which is very much appreciated by the impersonalist, is not an eternal form of the Lord. It is manifested by the supreme will of the Lord after the ingredients of material creation. Lord Krishna exhibited this Virat or Vishwaroop to Arjun just to convince the impersonalist that he is the original personality of Godhead. Krishna exhibited the Virata Roop. It is not that Krishna was exhibited by the Virata Roop. The Virata Roop is not therefore an eternal form of the Lord exhibited in the spiritual sky. It is a material manifestation of the Lord. The Archa Vigraha or the worshipable deity in the temple is a similar manifestation of the Lord for the neophytes. But in spite of their material touch, such forms of the Lord as the Virata and Archa are all non-different from his eternal form as Lord Krishna. Text 5. Parena Vishata स्वस्मिन् मात्रया विश्वसृगगणः चुक्षोभान्योन्यमासाद्य यस्मिन् लोकाश चराचराः. As the Lord in his plenary portion entered into the elements of the universal creation, they transformed into the gigantic form in which all the planetary systems and all movable and immovable creation rest. The elements of cosmic creation are all matter and have no potency to increase in volume unless entered into by the Lord in his plenary portion. This means that matter does not increase or decrease unless it is spiritually touched. Matter is a product of spirit and increases only by the touch of spirit. The entire cosmic manifestation has not assumed its gigantic form by itself as wrongly calculated by less intelligent persons. As long as spirit is within matter, matter can increase as needed, but without the spirit, matter stops increasing. For example, as long as there is spiritual consciousness within the material body of a living entity, the body increases to the required size, but a dead material body which has no spiritual consciousness stops increasing. In Bhagavad Gita, chapter 2, importance is given to the spiritual consciousness, not the body. The entire cosmic body increased by the same process that we experience in our small bodies. One should not, however, foolishly think that the individual infinitesimal soul is the cause of the gigantic manifestation of the universal form. The universal form is called the Virata Roop because the Supreme Lord is within it in his plenary portion. Text 6. Hiranmayah Sapurushaha Sahasra Parivatsaran Andakosha Uvasapsu Sarvasatvopabrumhitaha. The gigantic Virata Purusha, known as Hiranmaya, lived for 1000 celestial years on the water of the universe, and all the living entities lay with him. After the Lord entered each and every universe as the Garbhodakshayi Vishnu, half of the universe was filled with water. The cosmic manifestation of the planetary systems, outer space, etc., which are visible to us, is only one half of the complete universe. Before the manifestation takes place and after the entrance of Vishnu within the universe, there is a period of 1000 celestial years. All the living entities injected within the womb of the Mahat Tattva are divided in all universes with the incarnation of Garbhodakshayi Vishnu, and all of them lie down with the Lord until Brahma is born. Brahma is the first living being within the universe, and from him all other demigods and living creatures are born. Manu is the original father of mankind, and therefore in Sanskrit, mankind is called Manushya. Humanity in different bodily qualities is distributed throughout the various planetary systems. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.